Let me show you what comes in the box of this magic trick advent calendar from National Geographic. I'm really excited about this one. I'm using this one for my daughter for this holiday season, and I know she's gonna love it. Let's see what comes inside. So it is beautifully oversized. I know it's because it's gonna have a lot of great items in it and needed all of that storage. And it comes with 15 magic tricks. There are video lessons, so clearly we'll link to the instructions, and 9 magic experiments. Let's see how the front looks when you open it up. It uses Velcro, which is really nice, and this whole box is extremely high quality, much thicker and durable than most advent calendars I see. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. It comes with the full guide on how to do all the tricks and experiments. So when you open it up, it actually will walk through how to do it in this guide, and it has a link to each one as well. But it does show everything that's coming up, so it kind of destroys the surprise. So I would probably just share the links with my kid each day and then give them the guide at the end so they can redo all the magic tricks later on. And then you have all the different days over here. These are really strong, sturdy little boxes here. And I always love when they all go in different shapes and in a different order, as it means you have to really look for the correct day. I'm going to open up carefully from the bottom since I do want my daughter to actually enjoy this. There is so much going on in here. Each day is really going to pop out with a big experiment. This is going to keep her really busy and really excited for the next day. Let's look at some of these. On day 1, you get your magic wand, which definitely has some tricks to it. On day 2, you get cups and these little foam balls to do the magic hidden ball trick. Day 3 has some hydrophobic sand. And day 5 is another experiment with citric acid and baking soda. Anyone who's ever made the science volcano knows what's going to happen right here. And there are a lot of really fun little magic accompaniments in here that we all will get to learn how to use together. Of course, there are some cool card tricks, including an entire magician's deck. And I really can't wait to see my daughter light up when she learns some of these tricks and gets to perform them for us. Overall, I am really impressed with what comes in here. This is definitely a set that I'll have my daughter open when she gets home from school versus the morning, as each of these will take time to delve into and practice and play with. So this is a great way to spend afternoons together during the holidays. As it says here, a magical adventure every day. And I definitely know this will be. The National Geographic Magic Advent Calendar is a really great way to spend the holidays, and I'm looking forward to doing this with my daughter.